Do you know I have people that probably that used to follow me that stopped following me because they saw that I was aligned to the president. For years following a prophet, and you stop because of his choices, him being a prophet. Who sees more than you? And the person stops coming to church. You were never a member. You were never my child.
Ladies and gentlemen, a quick video, Banav. This Prophet Makandiwa talking about those who have actually left church. Then is now aligned with the president of the country, President Mnangagwa. And he gives this defense, or what we would call apologetics, as to why he does so. And in same prophet, and go support it, but you name dimension and then down up and where read out in this support. Skewa Prophet Makandiwa, you should trust also his spiritual eye. With the Nengerine Zaratoona, so that was supported President Mnangagwa. Is that what you think? Those are no fungo erevano, do some no fungo erevano. We have actually noted with Cooksman, aninga ku hint out aninga da join Zanu PF. Why is it a lot of people they are joining Zanu PF? Panika root awakening ere, Panis ones who realize ere, nay, my oppositions towards like Cooksman, they will now want to join ZANU-PF. But ukatera zwa na Prophet Makandiwa, and also zakatera na Kuda Tagwire, you get an idea or a sense as to why young people are now actually attracted to ZANU-PF. No one has sense. No one go about nay reader shidaro. Maybe Morgona Mota the say week now, or we don't know, but you can get an idea. So I want you to watch this video by Prophet Makandiwa. And also stay tuned. Around 5 o'clock, we will upload another video by Prophet Makandiwa sanangura about nyaye gravity. I roast one man. Vachinza no, I'm not funda. Hey, mungapesa ni ninasa. Hey, the earth is round. And he gives apologetics as to why he believes that the earth is actually flat. So stay tuned for that video now 5 o'clock. In the meantime, that only this video, and you tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Don't also forget, if you want masola manyama, these are not just ordinary solar system, but masola manyama, anything solar, anything boho, contact Logo Solar Tech on the numbers that are showing on the screen. These are the best in the game, and hear it from me, Wakumana Vanosota. Skawabate pa number rubuda pa screen chauda zamema exhibition and engo achita as well. Let us watch the video and you tell me what I think.
Some of us, it's because we have access to the duality of things. We know what could have been. To you, it's a terrible Zimbabwe. Everything is wrong. Everything is bad. The leadership is wrong. Perspective. How many versions of Zimbabwe can you see at a time? Because there isn't one. There are parallel manifestations happening at the same time. I know how many lines are playing out now with different presidents. Each line, oh, I shouldn't go there. I shouldn't go there. I shouldn't go there because, you see, I need to share grace now. I'm simply saying, some of you, the reason why you complain, it is because of your limited eyesight. You ask me now, open up the basket, show us another Zimbabwe without this current president. If I show you 2, 3 different Zimbabweans, or Zimbabweans, the problem I have with people is that there are still people who think I need any favors from anybody. I don't understand how you see things. You look at a man like me and you see a man who is desperate for a favor. I don't say things to promote individuals for the sake of just promoting individuals. No. 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 Do you know I've people that probably that used to follow me that stopped following me because they saw that I was aligned to the president. For years following a prophet and you stop because of his choices, him being a prophet, who sees more than you? And the person stops coming to church. You were never a member. You were never my child. We have access to different manifestations. This country would have been hell. This one. Argue all you want. Insult all you want. You look at my face, you see a man who cares. Do I look like I care? Forget it. I'm simply telling you because I have access to different manifestations. I can see parallel structures because Zimbabwe is not only happening on one channel, it's also playing out at the same time on different timelines. If you see the other manifestations of this same country, you will all come back to this current manifestation. You will all come back and take advantage of this current manifestation. You're crying because of your blindness.
But he was finishing well.
Don't postpone your successes. Don't. There must not be such a thing in your head as election, having to postpone your success, your prosperity, your victories to a later date. This, we are dealing with the I am that he is now. 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 Rima.
If you're going to go and farm,
Rima.
farm.
If
you're looking after pigs, then look after pigs. If you're looking after goats, then look after goats.
If you're
After whether it's cattle or chickens or milk or eggs,
He is
go
the
and
I
do
am,
business.
the now God. Guys, and then now.
Let him work now.
You have been too much empowered to wait for a lighter environment. No, this is the environment for you. How would you rate the leadership of Moses? He hands over to Joshua and they get to the promised land and it is as dry as it is. And you make an announcement, we have arrived. What kind of leadership is that? When leadership leads you into dryness, it is based on your capacity to survive. Your chance is not tomorrow. I'm telling you, all of these people now waiting. If you are waiting now, if you can still find a reason to wait, and you can't do it now, you can't start it now, you can't build now, you can't buy it now, you can't marry her now. You have allowed circumstances around you to defeat your thrust, your enthusiasm, your motivation. Whatever the devil is doing over this nation, it's not up to the devil to decide the outcome.